Hey lovers, welcome to Love for Things. I'm your host Naoumie. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. Today we are doing a makeup tutorial. Makeup tutorial for models because, hi guys, you are not an Instagram model, you're not a YouTuber, you are a model that needs to show your skin, show your face, show your beautiful, beautiful features that basically will make you book those jobs. So today I want to take you guys on my little tiny bit of this tutorial on how to do my face and how I do my makeup for casting, audition, going to a photo shoot where there's no makeup artist, or my day-to-day makeup. So right now I have done my face. I've actually done my foundation, which is just a stick which I cover my little dark spots on my face. And now I have also put on a foundation which cover my under eye and some powder. Yes, so that's it. And I see most of you guys are covering so much. You're doing all the highlights, the thingy, the thingy thing. I don't even know what to call it, but please stick with me and let's do our makeup in a very simple, basic way. Yes, simple, basic is a good name, good word for models. Simplicity is key, people. So while I do my face, I will tell you guys a little story on how I have learned how to do my face. Usually when I do my face, I never really learn. I actually never knew how to do my makeup. I honestly did not know how to do my makeup. I was so tomboy that I did not know. So modeling basically has helped me learn how to do my face because I watch the makeup artists actually do my face. So they will do like contouring, eyebrow stuff, all of these things, and I've learned. So yep. All right guys, since I've done my eyebrows, now I'm going to do my eyes under shadow. This brush has been on my hair. As you can see, it's broken already. I usually define my eyes. So defining my eyes is I would take a little bit of shadow covering a little bit of the eyes. And I'm sorry, my dog is making so much sounds, bravo. If I want to make it really fun, I just put in my little powder over here so it can give it a little bit of coverage on my skin. So my skin does not look really shiny on the eyelid. And voila. So now I'm gonna do my cheeks. I honestly don't know the brushes to put cheeks and all of these things. I use the things that I have in mind, in hand. I learned that if you don't smile when you apply your brush, your blush, your face look way better than the one that you smile. Because when you smile, it gives you like a little, and then when you don't, it just gives you the, so not smiling, so good. All right, there you have it, blush. So now we're going to do a little bit of highlight. Honestly, the tiniest you can put on your face, the better. Not too much, not too much, people, not too much. You don't have to be a makeup artist to make your makeup face beautiful. And here we have it. I think we did good. Oh wait, you're forgetting lips. I usually use my skin tone lip color.